Hi guys, this is Nicole from Nicole's Kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare sesame coated tuna nuggets or Maguro no goma揚げ. I have prepared here around 600 grams of tuna fish, which I washed and I dried very well with the kitchen towel. I'm going to season this fish with salt and pepper, garlic and ginger powder. Ginger, garlic powder, and salt. I'm gonna mix it well, and I'm going to add just a little bit of sesame oil, and a little bit of soy sauce. I'm gonna mix again and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, I have prepared here 4 tablespoons of flour with 1 tablespoon of potato starch. You can also use cornstarch. I'm gonna mix the two. Here I have 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds and 2 eggs white. Now I'm going to take each piece of tuna fish and dredge it in flour. Try to take off the excess flour. Then dredge it in egg whites, and next in the sesame seeds. Cover it well and put it aside. I'm gonna proceed like that with the rest of the fish. Flour with cornstarch, egg whites, then sesame seeds. Cover well and put it aside. When I have finished and all the fish is covered in sesame seeds, in a frying pan I heated up some oil, and in here I'm going to deep fry the tuna fish. After about 2-3 minutes, I'm going to check and turn the fish if the color is all right. You see, it's a nice golden color. You don't need it to be burned. So now I'm gonna fry on the other side for another 2-3 minutes. The fish is almost done, so I'm going to take it out. Today's recipe of sesame coated tuna nuggets, or in Japanese Maguro no goma揚げ, it's ready. It's a very easy recipe, ready in about 40 minutes with the marinating time, which is at least 30 minutes. I am going to serve it with a little bit of salad and a sauce made from white vinegar and soy sauce. It's a mix that I enjoy very much, to which you can also add some chili oil or chili sauce. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope I'll see you soon again. Bye!